Now here's one thing I wanted to point out on this bullnose trim that I put on here on the sheetrock. Remember this used to have the wood trim up there, and I took that off and I put the plastic bullnose up here. Well, this is these are the other door frames I did. This one, and there's another one right over there. Okay, these are the other two that I did in the second portion of the room. Okay? Now, the reason why I'm talking to you about this is, you remember on the other side I put sheetrock screws into the plastic. And I did that because I thought that was going to be the best way. They're stuck on the outside of here. I did not want to crack that if I put nails in it. Well, this stucco is pretty old. It's not like brand new stucco or anything like that. So what I should have done, and what I did over here, this is important here. Okay, so I used sheetrock nails with the flat, just standard flathead cupped sheetrock nails, and I tacked it in that way. When I got to the plastic, I just made it flush, and the nails were just flush on there. With the screws, if you remember, I had to sink those in a little bit into the plastic, because had I not done that, the sheetrock mud would not have covered up my sheetrock screws, okay? But when I did that, it would pucker. Do you remember that? I put a screw here. If I put another screw over here, it would have a tendency to pucker the edge a little bit. Then I'd have to put another screw, and then it would pucker the next little bit. So I had to put screws every, 3 or 4 inches. Now with the sheetrock nails, I got them every 7 or 8 inches or so. And I just checked it with that, and that had a tendency to flatten down a lot better. Now, that's because I used the plastic PVC bullnose trim. Okay, now if you use metal trim, then you can use your sheetrock nails, and that'll suck right in, and it's not going to pucker. You could use nails on that too, but with the plastic, you definitely need to go with little sheetrock nails instead of the screws. Now I've also seen guys actually staple the white plastic corner bead, outside corner bead, bullnose corner bead, all their plastic trim with staples. I don't really like doing it that way, but I guess you could do it that way. That's another option. I just tend to like the nails better, so try that when you're installing your bullnose trim. So for your review, plastic bullnose trim, you want to use sheetrock nails. Metal bullnose trim, you can use sheetrock screws, or you can use sheetrock nails, okay? Just don't use sheetrock screws on plastic bullnose trim, or even outside L-shaped corner bead plastic trim, You'll do yourself disjustice if you're going to use screws on that, because you're going to pucker everything. That's not what we want to do when we install trim.